have some fairy lights here that we're going to put inside, like so. And I have water beads. I have these little decorative balls. I'm just gonna kind of throw these around, make it look like they're gonna float around a rose. These are so pretty. I like the way they sound. Look at how they fall. It's so cool. I have this red rose here, and we're just going to take the petals off. So we're making a really pretty and elegant Christmas decor for those that just want to do like a classic Christmas or not into like the fun and crazy stuff. So let's just do a few rose petals. And we're going to go in with some more balls. Alright, so I'm going to add my last bit of balls. Just getting balls, just go everywhere. Alright, and now I have my favorite part, the water. Now these balls are all going to turn invisible. Oh, y'all, I almost forgot. The other vase.
Oh, yeah.
Have my little stick here, my little handy dandy stick. Oh, and we're gonna go ahead and get rid of as many bubbles as we can. Because I actually hate how the bubbles look in the thing. If you don't want to take out the bubbles, you don't have to. I usually do this when there's a lot of them, but I don't know why. I think the fact that I take them on every single time, now that I see them, they bother me so much. It's gonna be hard. And taking off the glass. Take off the balls. Alright, so I have these really pretty candles. They're floating candles, so we're going to put them all around. Fire it up. This one. Oh, that one's not wanting to catch on fire. There we go. Perfect. And now we're gonna see what it looks like with the lights off.
Alright, here we go.
Look at
Look at that.
it looks pretty, right? I think the way we fixed it is so much better.
I think it looks great.
I think it looks amazing. I really like this one. This one's cute, but it's still kind of fun. I feel like I can't help but make it a little bit more, so much tacky, but fun.